Welcome to this meditation on forgiveness. Choose a quiet place where you will not be disturbed. Sit in any comfortable position or lie down and close your eyes. Let us now get into a deep, calm space. I will now count down from 10 to 1. Imagine that you are like a leaf falling from a tree, gently floating down towards the ground. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are now in a beautiful garden. Feel the gentle rays of the sun warming your body. Hear the sounds of a stream flowing close by. Smell the fragrance of flowers in the garden. Rest for a few moments and enjoy the serenity. Forgiveness opens the doors to self-love. Imagine in front of you a person whom you wish to forgive. It may be a family member, relative, or some stranger who you think has caused you a lot of hurt and pain in the past. Invite him or her to sit next to you. All of us are born as innocent, beautiful babies. Imagine this person as a young, innocent child. Look into their eyes with love, compassion, and understanding. Understand that people who are hurt other people. You can be the person who breaks this chain. Say to this person, I forgive you. May you be blessed. I release you from the cycle of pain and hurt. I set you and myself free. Imagine the image of this person diffuse into a white light. Tell yourself, this pain is gone forever. I am free and light now. Repeat this exercise for as many people and incidents as required. Now, let us work on forgiving ourselves. Repeat these affirmations in your mind. I forgive myself for making mistakes. I forgive myself for causing pain and suffering to myself and others. I forgive myself for not being perfect. I am living the very best way I know how. I let others be who they are and I simply love who I am. All of the changes in life that lie before me are positive ones. I release all my old limitations and beliefs. All is well in my world, and so it is. Give yourself a few more quiet moments. I will now count from 1 to 5. At the count of 5, rub your palms, gently place it on your eyes, smile and open your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This brings us to the end of the meditation practice. Have a great day. Namaste.